As of March 2025, Ghana's public debt stood at 726.6 billion cedis, with external debt accounting for 35.4% of GDP. The Economic Governance Platform report, titled Sustainable Debt Management in Ghana, indicates that Ghana's debt trajectory remains fragile, characterized by cycles of temporary stability followed by renewed distress. Despite previous relief under the HIPC initiative and repeated IMF bailouts, the country's debt-to-GDP ratio has consistently exceeded sustainable threshold, driven by non-concessional borrowing and weak fiscal discipline. The report highlights three critical areas: debt sustainability, management frameworks, and accountability. Notably, 86% of major government contracts between 2012 and 2021 were awarded through sole sourcing and restricted tendering, contributing to judgment debts. The coordinator of the GACC, Mr. Abdul Karim Mohammed, attributes the 1.89 billion cedis in judgment debts to negligence, poor contract terms, and political patronage.
Ghana's own experiences on debt acquisition through borrowing and that of other countries clearly indicate that the choice of book runners that are appointed and how they are appointed, the timing of debt acquisitions, and the kind of lenders to borrow from, the agreed terms of debt acquired, and how such funds are applied are not always motivated by the best interest of the state.
An economist at the University of Ghana Business School, Professor Godfred Bopping, attributes Ghana's persistent debt crisis to fiscal indiscipline, noting the failure of the 2015 IMF-supported ECF program.
So in terms of debt management, transparency, and accountability, we strongly propose that the Fiscal Council should be institutionalized. Not just that, but it should be made independent. It should not be independent only in theory, but it must be independent operationally.
The ECP urges clearer separation between debt and liquidity functions, enhanced central bank oversight, and the creation of an independent fiscal council to ensure non-partisan monitoring of borrowing, spending, and deficit policies.